many congratulations बच्चे.
Thank you so much, sir. You have guided me throughout so much. Like you were there whenever I needed the guidance or I needed the moral support. Dance is like emotion. Thank you so much, sir.
We are very happy for seeing the result. All of you have done the.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So like I was not expecting like exam because the level of exam was a bit difficult in the second part. First part was really easy. Like when I entered and I did the first part, I felt like, oh, this exam is like easy peasy. But when you went for the second part, oh my God, sir, I had my tears out of my eyes. I felt like just walking out of the room. But then the exam felt same as CBT2 as we had from DAMS. It was like I felt the same difficulty level, same question problems, like everything was just same. Even the so many questions were repeated from DFX, like that they were like direct repeats. So first part of the exam was like same direct repeat from all each and every question from DFX, especially pharma, gynae, radio, these subjects. Like I literally had same lines from the DFX. So that was like awesome. Thank you, sir. Like the AMS was great.
Great. So I can understand your emotion as well as thanks to you for saying these words for the DAMS. DAMS is always with their students. We always try ki we get the maximum result from our student, and we have
Yes,
proved
sir.
again. So
Yes, sir.
definitely, as you said, ki first paper was a little bit easy as compared to second one. We also understand that. But the thing is, you are saying ki you were not expecting ki you will get pass or not, but we were expecting that all our students, they have done the wonderful job in the last 6 months. You have done the very hard work, and we
Yes, sir.
understand ki how much hard work you have done. So nobody can understand. So you
Thank you,
deserve it
sir.
basically. You deserve it,
Thank
na?
you so for
So
saying that, sir.
yeah. So this is the time to enjoy, and also congratulations to your parents, to your
Yes, sir.
friends.
My mother is here. मेरी माँ है यहाँ पे.
बिल्कुल
हाय
बिल्कुल
सर.
हम
नीचे आ जा नीचे.
जी नमस्ते
ये रो
नमस्ते.
ये रोने लगी थी जब रिजल्ट आया था. सो
बिल्कुल दिस इज ऑल्सो इमोशनल पार्ट है एक लाइफ का.
जी
आपको बहुत बहुत
जी
बधाई हो, बिटिया पास हुई है.
जी आपको भी सर। आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर। इसको आपने नया जीवन दिया है। हम तो
नहीं,
आपके
हमने सिर्फ
मुरीद है
गाइड
सर।
गाइड किया है. असली गाइडेंस पेरेंट्स की होती है. हमने सिर्फ इसको
सर
सपोर्ट किया
मेरे
है, इसको थोड़ा
गाइडेंस से
गाइड किया.
नहीं, आपके और मैम की ये बहुत ज्यादा तारीफ करती है।
जी
जरूरत
जी
से
जी जी
ज्यादा
जी
दीप्ति मैम की तो भक्त है।
जी. बहुत बहुत congratulations again for you and for your parents. This is the time to celebrate. So I will take
सर.
not your much time, and I would say ki
Sir, just 1 second.
enjoy,
My uncle.
and
जी
if you want to share anything, you can definitely.
जी सर. सर मेरे मामा जी
जी
हैं
जी
यहाँ
जी
पे. एक मिनट बस. ही इज ऑल्सो अ
जी बिल्कुल.
डॉक्टर.
जी बिल्कुल
जी
बिल्कुल. ओके
जी
सर, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस.
आपको भी।
जी सर, बहुत बहुत
थैंक
बधाई हो. एक बड़ा खुशी का माहौल है घर में. तो जिस मकसद से बिटिया को भेजा होगा, वो मकसद फाइनली, पहला मकसद पूरा हो गया होगा. बट आप
जरूर
तो
जरूर
डॉक्टर का,
जरूर।
आप समझ सकते हैं कि अगला मकसद क्या होना चाहिए अब इसका.
सही बात है, आपका भी मेहनत है, आपको भी बधाई।
जी थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू.
थैंक यू सो
बहुत
मच
बहुत
सर फॉर ऑल द लव एंड गाइडेंस. थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू
थैंक
सर.
यू आत्मिका, अगेन कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस बच्चे, एंड वी विल
जी
वेट फॉर
सर.
योर स्वीट्स, एंड वी आर रेडी टू हैव ऑल these sweets.
Sir, I'm waiting for my PG seat in next, so I'll be there in dams for my another PG guidance. So, sir, thank you so much. Sir.
श्योर
I'll see you
श्योर
soon.
बच्चे, श्योर बच्चे. थैंक यू
हाँ, sir.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस.
Thank you,
ओके,
sir.
थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.